If you're using page numbers with your Excel worksheets, did you know you can adjust the number used as the first page number? In this quick tip, we'll look at how to easily change the starting page number for an Excel worksheet. Here I have a workbook with two worksheets, quarter 1 and quarter 2. They have both been formatted to display the page number in the footer. Now, if I want to print the entire workbook, whether it's to a physical printout or to a PDF, let's see what happens with that page number. As I navigate through them, let's pay attention to this page number here. The second page of the first worksheet is page 2. Now, the first page of the second worksheet is page 3. And it continues to page 4. So when you're printing out an Excel worksheet formatted to display page numbers, the default for the first page number is set to auto. That means the page number starts at 1. Although this works for many projects, you might want different results when printing an entire workbook or a group of worksheets. As we've seen, when more than one worksheet is selected, page numbering is continuous across multiple worksheets in a workbook. So what do you do if you want each worksheet to restart at page 1 or even use a completely different page number as the first page number in a worksheet? We change this in the Page Setup dialog box. Now, if I was working with just one worksheet right now, I could pick it right here through my Print Preview. Instead, we'll move to the Excel ribbon. So I'm in my second worksheet and in the Page Layout ribbon tab. Next, move to the Page Setup group, and in the bottom right-hand corner is a little arrow, a dialog launcher. This opens up the dialog box with the Page Setup options. From here, all I need to do is change this option, first page number. Instead of auto, set that to 1 or another starting page number. Now let's look at what happens when we want to print an entire workbook or a selection of multiple worksheets. This time I've got page 1 and page 2. For the second worksheet, it restarts at page 1 and then continues. And that's all you need to do to be able to control the page numbering in your Excel worksheets. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Excel or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Excel. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.